everyone, Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm here today with the very first Journaling Joy monthly collection that I ever made. Well, I'm here with the journal of it because I'm going to do something I've never ever done we're coming up to 3 years of making monthly collections for Kit Club members, and I have never ever given them away to the public or sold them publicly. They've always been exclusive. But this is my birthday month, and I thought this would be a fabulous gift from me to you for all of the support that you've given me, whether you just follow me on Facebook, click like on my videos, whether you're a customer, whether you come and go, whether you're a long-standing supporter, just a little bit of something. I try and do it every year on my birthday to say thank you. So this is called the December Daily. It was the very first Journaling Joy collection I ever did, and from there the whole thing has just blossomed. So it's a beautiful collection, and the reason that I've decided to gift this, okay, is because, and I knew when I was making it, and I knew that this was coming, I had it all planned. It goes lovely with the Christmas in July freebies that I gave you, because it's very similar. We've got the gingerbreads, we've got the lollipops, okay? These are a little more pastel-y shades, but they all go together. And these that we made, and there's videos on them, and this is a shaker envelope filled with all little goodies, and these are all free. And then we did the large shaker pocket. Will fit, you can see the gingerbread man there is the same gingerbread man as here, okay? So we did it on purpose. And this you could put on a front cover, you could have it on a page. These will fit inside on a page, either glued on a hinge, whatever. Okay, so it's all part of my master plan. So these are the Christmas in July freebies available on my Ko-fi. I'll leave you a link. There's also videos on everything I've made. And then there was these as well, little fingers, individuals that you could use. There's heaps there, and then I'm going to give you the December Daily. So just let me give you a quick flick through of what I made way back in November 2023. So I made a lovely pocket there. We cut the design out to make a tuck, and then all of these little goodies all slide in here, and we've got little presents and lollipops. There's a lot in this kit. Now, it was the first Journaling Joy kit I ever did, and I think that my design skills have improved since then, but it's still a fantastic kit. The fussy cuts are amazing. You're going to have awesome fun, and it's completely free. So check out the page by page view. I'll link it below. I'll link this collection. I'll link the Christmas in July collection, and combined with this and all of these, you've got no excuse. You can do Christmas crafting absolutely free, okay, because I'm giving you all of this. Now, it will say 0.00 on the price. You can leave a donation if you desire, but it's not essential, okay? If you remember, you'll still get it free because it's free to everybody now, okay? This will be limited. I will be limiting it until the end of September, and then I will put it back to members only. So it's a chance to get something for nothing, and it's a chance to sample one of my Journaling Joy collections. Here we used the 12 by 12 scrapbooking page protectors, and I cut them down to make pockets. I think we've got Midori style, hidden Midori style binding there, just the one large signature. And in this one, back in those days, I used to do like the little planner pages with days of the weeks on and stuff. I don't do that now. I just gave them the whole file so that they can print them out, you know, and there's every single month on there. So I don't add them to the collections now, but I did in the first 12 months. And then here, more tags, and then here I made a lovely, looks like I've made that out of vellum that I've printed a coffee dye on. It's a lovely collection, and you can make a really nice December Daily between the two freebies that I'm giving you. That's a little notebook, okay. Tags, I've used the fussy cuts there as tabs for the top of tags instead of the boring normal shape. It's a really nice collection. There's the page protector. There is a playlist on what I did for this journal as well that you can follow. Everything will be linked below so that you can create it along with me. Here I just made simple tiny little project life type shapes, I call them, because you know, it's a December daily. Nice big pocket there for somebody to put something in. You've got plain pages and decorated pages so you can stick whatever you want on, write your memories. December daily, put your photos in, yeah, and you can dock it. And if you start now, it's only August, you've got loads of time. And I loved using these little, I printed them out smaller and used them as little dangles. So if you start now, okay, you can take all the time in the world, and by Christmas you'll have a December daily stitched around the pages there. So we've got the grid. You can write your Christmas lists or what you're doing or where you're going. We've got lined, we've got plain, and we've got decorative. Okay, so the back end here is more, I think, did I do like a little booklet? Can't remember what I did. It's that long since I made it. I'll have to watch the video myself. But I put a lot of plain at the back for writing notes. Okay, and the background papers are beautiful. The collage papers are beautiful. The fussy cuts are fabulous. We've got the lovely ice skates there, and the winter scenes, and the music, and all sorts going on. And loads of lovely background papers. It's a lovely, lovely collection. So I am giving you this free for a limited time till the end of September, so that you can make it along with this, which is free. Okay, not time limited. This will just stay on my Ko-fi. And if you've not seen the video on this, it's a massive stuffed pocket, and all of these things that are in it are all free in the Christmas in July freebies. And I made shaker pockets, and then this one's a shaker envelope. So it's filled with little mouses and tickets and all sorts. So like I said, combined there, you've got, what more do you need to do your Christmas creating? And it's free, absolutely free. Okay, like I say, you can leave a donation if you like, but it is 100% not essential. Okay, I give as much free things away as I can because I like to make sure, well, there's two reasons, if I'm honest. The first one is to make sure everybody that wants to craft can craft. And then obviously so that you can have a sample of my work and see what we're about and what we do. Okay, so it's a bit of a double bubble. I can't get that back in there now, it's so full of stuff. But how fabulous are these? So whether you just make these, or whether you grab those freebies, or whether you grab this freebie, make the journal and this, it's completely up to you. But you've got lots and lots of Christmas fun there. People have made cards with these items from the Christmas in July collection, all sorts of things. So you can make more than just journals with them. I've seen fabulous stuff, pop-up cards, all sorts of things. Okay, and I'm expecting to start seeing more as we get closer to Christmas. My design team members have made a heap of stuff over on the Facebook group. Why can't I get that in there? Because it's catching on that other pocket. I've got that many. There's that much in these freebies that they're just absolutely loaded. So without further ado, check out the links in the description box below, and hopefully you can go and do some Christmas crafting on me, absolutely free. Go and have some fun, okay? If you've never tried a journal before, you're on a low budget, you don't really know what to do, you don't want to invest because you've never done it before, you just want to try out my digitals, or if you just want something for nothing, it's all perfectly fine. Go and grab them. It's free fun. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.